Hi everyone, today we're making an old-fashioned classic, Swiss steak. This dish is all about tender beef, rich gravy, and that comforting home-cooked flavor we all love. It's easy to make, uses simple ingredients, and you can even make it keto-friendly if you like. Let's get started. In a large pan, add some olive oil, and then the cut-up beef. We will sprinkle this with salt and pepper. And we will continue to cook until the beef is all browned. Then we will transfer the beef to a large roaster or Dutch oven. Then we will add 1 large onion that's been diced to the beef. In the same pan with your drippings, melt a 1/4 cup of butter, add 4 cups of beef broth, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and a splash of gravy browner if you want your gravy to be a deep brown color. Then you'll want to add your thickener. I'm using xanthan gum, but you can use whatever you like. But you won't want to over thicken it, as it's baking it will thicken up even more. Once it's boiling and a bit thicker, we are going to pour the gravy over the beef and onions. We'll give it a little mix. Then we will cover it up and bake at 350 Fahrenheit for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the meat is fork tender. Once it's done, serve the Swiss steak over mashed cauliflower, keto noodles, or like me, over mashed carrots. If you enjoy this recipe, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for another easy home-style favorite.